When it comes to finding the perfect makeup mirror, it's not just about the reflection but the whole experience. The JERDON lighted tabletop makeup mirror aims to elevate that experience with its sophisticated design and versatile features. At first glance, this mirror catches the eye with its sleek, square design and elegant chrome finish. It's not just another mirror to add to your vanity, it's a piece that complements a variety of home styles, from the classic to the modern aesthetic. The standout feature, quite literally, is the 5x magnification that promises a detailed view, making it an indispensable tool for intricate makeup applications, grooming, or the precision required for a perfect shave. But what truly sets this mirror apart is its lighting capabilities. The inclusion of LED bulbs is a game changer, offering longevity since they never need replacing. More so, the variable light settings provide a customizable experience. Whether you're getting ready in the early hours of the morning or doing a touch-up before a night out, the ability to adjust the brightness ensures you always have the perfect lighting. This feature alone makes it a worthy contender for those who take their makeup application seriously. Dimensions and practicality are also key considerations. The 8" by 8" mirror size is thoughtfully chosen, balancing ample viewing area with a compact footprint that doesn't overwhelm your space. Standing at 16.5 inches high and equipped with a 6.5-foot power cord, it offers flexibility in placement. You're not confined to areas directly beside outlets, nor do you have to compromise on where it fits best aesthetically or functionally. JERDON isn't a new name in the beauty industry. With over 40 years of experience and a reputation for quality, it's reassuring to know that this mirror comes from a brand trusted by luxury hotels, spas, and now, potentially, you. This mirror isn't just about looking at yourself, it's about seeing yourself in the best light, with every detail sharp and clear, making every makeup session an opportunity to create perfection. The promise of luxury and quality often comes with a hefty price tag, but here, it feels justified. This isn't just a mirror, it's a beauty tool, a piece of decor, and a statement of how seriously you take your beauty routine. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast, a grooming guru, or someone who appreciates the finer details in life, the JERDON lighted tabletop makeup mirror could very well be the upgrade your vanity has been waiting for. Its combination of elegance, functionality, and durability positions it as a contender for the best vanity mirror on the market, bringing a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.